Stylogeeklife.
Wouldn't it be great to have warm waffles on a weekend morning that even your dog would highly look forward to like Jasper does? Look. Okay, go. He's so happy. Alright, now back on a serious note. So I bought this online, which I think is an imitation of the brand Mini Waffle Maker. This no-brand Mini Waffle Maker is marketed to heat up quickly and has a non-stick surface, about 4 inches in diameter and about the size of a palm. You will need a 2-pin plug adapter and be careful that the cover will slam shut by accident, as there is no resistance at the pivot point. Other than that, the waffle maker is stable on even surfaces with the 3 touch points. So on my first try or test, I used the following pancake mixture since I couldn't get waffle premix at my nearby store. The indicator light will turn on to indicate that the heating is in the process, and this heating element will then switch on and off automatically to regulate the temperature on the heating surface. The manual did advise that I should wait till the indicator light shuts off before putting the waffle mixture in. It starts to steam almost immediately, and I have learned that it is normal for this to happen. Within about 20 seconds, the steam has already made the cover handle really hot. And the steam worried me, so I took a quick peek, and nope, it wasn't ready yet. It then took roughly about 30 seconds more before it was well cooked. Well, feeling more confident, I then attempted my own waffle batter, and I didn't share the details to the waffle recipe as I'm not very well versed in baking, so there are several waffle recipes available on the web, and mine is adapted from recipes online to accommodate to the ingredients I have at home. Here you can see how some parts are brown and others are not, perhaps because my waffle batter was too viscous and didn't allow the heating plate to sink into it properly. But that's just my guessing. In the end, it turned out pretty okay, so I guess I just need more work on the waffle batter. If you are starting to drool after watching this video, remember to like and subscribe to Stylogeeklife.